Hello everybody, hope you are good and safe. Today we are going to solve exercises 6 and 7, page 19. Please follow me on your books while I am explaining and solving these exercises. These exercises, guys, are very simple. Today only we are going to solve 6 and 7. Exercise 8 we will solve it later. We start by exercise 6, page 19. The Lebanese Federation of Football conducts a study on the number of goals scored during the Cup of Lebanon. The results are as follows. The results are shown in the table on your books. In the first row, number of goals. In the second row, number of matches. Number of goals from 0 to 5, and number of matches are 5, 9, 4, 2, 3, and 1. In the first part of this question, determine the population and the variable under study. The population is the set under study. Which set we are studying here? We are studying here, guys, the Lebanese Federation of Football, which is the population. So the population is the Lebanese Federation of Football. This is the set under study. What is the variable? The variable is the number of scored goals. So the number of goals is the character, which is the same as the variable. If we want to answer more, this character is a quantitative character, since it's represented by numbers. For the second part, construct the frequency bar graph and the frequency polygon. This is the frequency bar graph. On the x-axis we have the number of goals 0, 1, 2, 3, and 5. On the y-axis we have the number of matches 0, 5, 1, 9, 2, 4, 3, 2, and 4, 3, finally 5, 1. The polygon, this is the blue line is the polygon. It's connected by the ruler between the midpoints of the bars. Now for the third part, set up the frequency, the increasing cumulative frequency table. Here we should find the increasing cumulative frequencies. On the table, the first number in ICF, it's the same number of matches, which represents the frequency here. 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23, and 23 plus 1 is 24. Finally, in part 4, construct the increasing cumulative frequency bar graph and the corresponding polygon. So here we have on the y-axis here, guys, we have ICF, and on the x-axis always the number of goals. So the bar graph is represented as follows: 0, 5, 1, 14, 2, 18, 3, 20, 4, 23, and 5, 24. This blue line connected between the midpoints of consecutive polygons represents the between consecutive bar graphs represents the polygon. From its name, increasing cumulative frequency, the blue line is always increasing and the bar graph are always increasing, bigger values here, since it's increasing cumulative frequency. Now for exercise 7, guys. An establishment has a stock of computers. A statistical study was made on the number of computers that need repair during 1 month. The results are given in the following table. In the first row, number of computers that need repair from 0 to 7. In the second row, number of days as listed below on your computer, on your books. Now for part A, determine the population and the variable. From the given, a statistical study was made on the number of computers. This study was made on the number of computers, which is the population, but not any number of computers that need repair. The variable is the number of days. How many days does each computer needs to repair? In part B, construct the increasing cumulative frequency table and the decreasing cumulative frequency table. Here guys, we have a new keyword, which is the decreasing cumulative frequency. Now I will teach you how to find the decreasing cumulative frequency. But first, let's find the ICF. The first number in ICF and the number of frequency are the same. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. 26 plus 2, 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. And 29 plus 1 is 30. Now, how to find the decreasing cumulative frequency? The first number in decreasing cumulative frequency is the same as the total, which is 30. Now 30 minus 1, this is the frequency. Our look and our work always on frequencies. 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 minus 3 is 26. 26 minus 5 is 21. 21 minus 12 is 19. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 2 finally minus 1 is 1. This answer 1 should be the same as the final answer in frequencies. This is the way how to find the decreasing cumulative frequency, guys. Now for part C. In how many days do we have? First, more than 4 computers needing repair. More than 4 computers, it means 5, 6, 7. 5, 2 days, plus 6, 1 day, plus 7, 1 day. The total is 4 days. 4 days, look here guys, 4 days, it's the same as the decreasing cumulative frequency of 5. Part 2. At most 4 computers. At most 4 computers, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. This is at most. So 1 plus 3, 4, plus 5, 9, plus 12, 21, plus 5, 26. It's the same as increasing cumulative frequency of 4. In part 3, less than 4 computers. Less than 4 computers, so 4 here is not included. So 0, 1, 2, or 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 12, it's 21, which is the same as the ICF of 3. Now finally for part 4, at least 4 computers needing repair. At least 4, so it may be 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 4 computers, 5 days. 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, it's 9. 9, it's the same as the decreasing cumulative frequency of 4, so it's 9 days. When we use at most or less than, we look on the increasing cumulative frequency. When we use more than or at least, we look on the decreasing cumulative frequency. Later on, guys, will solve exercises 8 and 9, page 20. See you soon inshallah. Take care of yourself, guys.